Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy here, Kirk. Today we are working on this 2005 Toyota Passo. As you see, guys, we removed the AC evaporator core. Guys, this is the evaporator core housing here, and this is the whole evaporator core, and this is the new one that we're going to install in the vehicle. If it's your first time on this channel, guys, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. And you can also follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and like us on Facebook. We're fitting up back, guys, and I'm also going to show you the heater hose and the AC pipes that connect to the evaporator core. This is it, guys. AC pipes below, heater pipe above. So guys, we're almost finished fit up the dashboard. Guys, this is it. Finally we finished. We already pressure test, vacuum, and recharge the AC system. You see blowing cool. Guys, I'm going to show you the low side lines. Filling up a lot of water. That is a good sign that the AC system is working properly.